Have you ever cut open a perfectly ripe avocado, used only half of it, and then come back the next day to find the rest looking brown, mushy, and completely unappetizing? It's one of the most frustrating things about avocados. But what if I told you there's a 5-second trick that can help stop that? Today, I'll explain why avocados turn brown and show you exactly how to keep your cut avocado green and fresh for longer. Let's get into it. You've got this half avocado, and you want it to look just as good tomorrow as it does right now. Here's the 5-second trick, and it's shockingly simple. Take your avocado half and place it cut side down in a small container with about half an inch of cool water. Make sure the exposed flesh is touching the water. Put a lid on the container and place it in the refrigerator. The science behind it is actually pretty clever. The number one enemy of a freshly cut avocado is oxygen. The moment you slice into an avocado, you expose its flesh to the air. Inside the avocado is an enzyme called polyphenol oxidase. When this enzyme comes into contact with oxygen, it triggers a chemical reaction known as enzymatic browning. That reaction creates the brown pigments you see on the surface. By placing the cut surface directly against water, you're creating a physical barrier that blocks oxygen from reaching the avocado. No oxygen means dramatically less browning. It's a simple hack that takes just seconds and can keep your avocado looking surprisingly fresh. But there's an important catch. Because the avocado is sitting in water, its texture can start to change if it's stored for too long. The surface may become slightly softer or waterlogged, so it's best to use it within 1 to 2 days. There's also a food safety consideration. If bacteria are present on the avocado or introduced during handling, the moist environment may allow them to survive or multiply over time. So if you decide to use this trick, make sure the avocado is clean, keep it refrigerated, use a clean container, and don't store it for more than a day or two. I tested several other methods that don't have the same texture and food safety concerns. Let's find out which one comes closest to keeping an avocado perfectly green. First up is the pit method. This is one of the oldest avocado myths out there. Many people swear that leaving the pit in the avocado keeps it from turning brown. The theory is that the pit somehow prevents oxidation. To test it, I'm leaving the pit in place, putting the avocado half into a bowl, and refrigerating it for 24 hours. Will the pit actually protect the avocado, or is it just a kitchen myth? We're about to find out. For our second test, we're using plastic wrap. I'm pressing a sheet of plastic wrap directly against the cut surface of the avocado, making sure there are no air pockets trapped underneath. Then I'll wrap the entire avocado tightly and place it in the refrigerator. The science here is straightforward. If oxygen causes browning, creating a tight barrier between the avocado and the air should dramatically slow the process. Next comes one of the strangest methods, the onion trick. I've chopped about 1/4 of an onion and placed it in the bottom of an airtight container. The avocado half goes in cut side up, making sure it doesn't touch the onion. Then the container gets sealed and refrigerated. As odd as it sounds, there's actually some science behind this one. Onions release sulfur-containing compounds into the air, and these compounds may help slow down the enzymatic browning reaction responsible for discoloration. But does it actually work in the real world? We'll see. Finally, we have the acid test with lemon juice. This is probably the most popular avocado saving method. I'm brushing a thin layer of lemon juice over the entire exposed surface. The citric acid lowers the pH of the avocado's surface, which slows the activity of the browning enzyme. In addition, lemon juice contains vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps prevent the formation of brown pigments. After coating the avocado, it goes into an airtight container and into the refrigerator. Now it's time for the real test. We'll leave all the avocados for 24 hours and see which method does the best job of keeping them green, fresh, and appetizing. It's been 24 hours, and it's time to reveal the results. One of these methods worked far better than I expected, and one popular trick failed miserably. Let's see what happened. Let's start with the pit method. Well, the avocado pit myth has officially been busted. The exposed flesh has browned significantly, while the small area directly underneath the pit is still green. And that's exactly what we'd expect. The pit isn't releasing some magical anti-browning compound. It simply blocks oxygen from reaching the tiny portion of avocado it covers. So unless you only plan on eating a small green circle in the middle of your avocado, this method doesn't do much. Next up is the plastic wrap method. This one performed surprisingly well. The avocado is still mostly green, with some patches of browning where tiny air pockets were likely trapped. The texture is excellent, still creamy, firm, and fresh. This is a simple, reliable method because it physically blocks oxygen without affecting the avocado's flavor or texture. Now let's look at the onion method. And honestly, this one impressed me. The avocado stored with the onion is remarkably green after 24 hours. There's only a small amount of browning around the edges. The sulfur-containing compounds released by the onion appear to have slowed the browning reaction significantly. There's a slight onion aroma when you open the container, but it's surprisingly mild. More importantly, the avocado doesn't really taste like onion. This is an excellent option if you're planning to use the avocado in savory dishes like guacamole, tacos, or salsa. Finally, let's check the lemon juice method. This one also performed extremely well. The avocado remains bright and fresh-looking, with only tiny traces of browning. The texture is virtually unchanged, and the light citrus flavor actually complements the avocado nicely. This result makes perfect sense scientifically. The citric acid lowers the pH, slowing the activity of the browning enzyme, while the vitamin C acts as an antioxidant that helps prevent the formation of brown pigments. In other words, lemon juice attacks the problem from two different angles. So what's the final verdict? If your only goal is preventing browning, the 5-second water bath trick is the clear winner. After 24 hours, it remained virtually untouched by oxidation. However, because of the potential texture changes and food safety concerns associated with storing cut avocados in water, it's best used as a short-term solution. If you're looking for a method that's both effective and practical, the lemon juice method and the onion method are the strongest alternatives. They preserved color exceptionally well while maintaining the avocado's texture and quality. And of course, plastic wrap remains a simple and reliable option that's easy for almost anyone to use. Now it's your turn. What's your favorite trick for keeping avocados fresh? Did I miss a method that works incredibly well in your kitchen? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this experiment and want more food science tests that separate kitchen myths from reality, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.